What up, guys? Dwayne Delacruz here with another review sponsored by Auxito LED lights. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back. Let's check what's in this package right here. Sorry for the crappy audio, just in case y'all noticed. Alright, so let's check it out. Auxito LED light. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I think it's Auxito, but ain't no biggie, we'll get through this. The back basically says saving energy, beautiful appearance, easy installation, long lifetime, and no warm-up. Let's see what we got inside this baby. Alright, got your lights in a little pamphlet. It says Auxito. And on the back it shows giveaway information. And when you open it up, it says have issues, we're here to help. Gives you information about the 12-month warranty and where to reach them, and social media. Now let's check these lights out. These are wedge lights, and usually on a regular wedge light, you know, like the ones with the little bulbs, or even other LEDs, they just got the little wire that usually comes out of place or something, causes a little short. But these are nice. You don't have to worry about that little wire breaking or moving to the side where it's not making a good connection. But we'll see. Alright guys, so I wanted to install these, but due to them being hardwired in, I'm not going to do in this review. Instead, we're going to install these. Get a good look at that. Let's get a good look at the interior lighting that I have right now, which is just those regular, you know, yellow bulbs, the ones I was talking about, the little wires. And let's check out this door light that we're going to replace also. Pop that right out, like so. Take off the little cap. And usually these bulbs are easy to take out, but in this case it wasn't. So I took it inside and did a little trick that I learned on YouTube. You get some tape, get some scissors, cut a little U or U shape in there, the tape, and you wrap it around your little light bulb. And it should just pop out just like this. Voila. Now you just plug this one in, just like they say, you know, plug and play. Ain't gotta mess with no wires or nothing, just plug it straight in. Let you get a good look at that. If this dang camera will focus. I swear it's a good camera, you just gotta mess with it here and there. Put your cap back on, like so. Snaps right in, really easy. There it is. Alright, we're here back at the car. All you do is plug it in. As soon as you plug it in, boom, just like that. There's a before and after right there, side by side. And there's the after completed. Now let's go inside and mess with those dome lights. Boom, pop it off. Got it in already. Boom, instant. Here's a before and after. What y'all guys think? I hope y'all like it as much as I do. Next up, license plate lights. You got an Infinity Q50 like I do. You just pop that off right there. Untwist that, expose the bulb, pop the bulb right out and replace it with the new one, just like that. Give you before and after right here. Bam! Nice. And that's complete right there. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Check out Auxito, links in the description below. Boom!